What we're diagnosing this BG677 for is for a dirty switch. The unit will switch on, run for a second, then shut off, and it's saying that it has a dead battery. We've put a new battery in this unit, so we know the battery's good. So we're going to diagnose this for dirty contacts in the switch. Now what you'll do is you remove your battery clip from the top of your battery, but leave your battery in at this point. Now what you'll do is take a long blade screwdriver, and you're going to use it as a lever. And what you want to do is pop your control panel off of the pins on both sides. You'll see it pull up, then you'll be able to remove it from the pins and flip it over to where you can get to the underside of the switch. What you want to do is on the bottom side of your switch is remove the 2 red wires. Okay. Now if you've got a small paper clip, one of the smaller versions, this works perfect. What you're going to do is hot wire the machine. You're going to bypass the switch altogether to see how the machine functions minus the switch. When you just take your small paper clip and put it into the terminals, you have to use a little force to get it up in the terminals, but it will fit. Now take your other terminal, connect it to the other side. And the machine's going to run normal. Check your green light. You have a solid green light. The unit's running normally. The unit hasn't shut off, which will be shutting off immediately after you turn the unit on and immediately to a red light. Now we've diagnosed the dirty switch. So we take the paper clip out. Now you're going to remove the switch. If you look on the underside of the switch, on all 4 corners, there's locking tabs. You got one here, and the same on the opposite side. Okay, what you're going to do is unlock the side that's away from the circuit board first by pushing up on the switch and in on the tab at the same time. You'll see the switch unlock and start to come out of the machine. Do the same on the opposite side. And you've removed your switch. Now if you look at the bottom side of your switch, you've got 2 rectangular openings. You take the blade of your screwdriver, you'll put pressure on the switch with your forefinger. Hold it between your index finger and your thumb, but put pressure with your index finger. Now, open the housing, and the switch comes out. Now here's the contacts that you want to clean. A piece of Scotch-Brite between the 2 terminals to clean them up, remove any corrosion or dirt. If you have an air hose, you can blow any dust that remains inside the switch out. You have a wide side and a narrow side, so when you put the switch back together, just look for the tab. The tab goes on the narrow side. Push till it clicks. Insert the switch back into the machine. Reconnect your terminals.